Hi class, welcome to today's lecture, Teamwork in Business. Our learning objectives are define a team and describe its essential characteristics, explain why organizations use teams and describe different types of teams, identify factors that contribute to team cohesiveness, describe the different stage of team development, and explain the skills and behaviors that foster effective team leadership. So what is a team? So take the time right now and reflect on what key characteristics or what a team means to you, what elements need to be incorporated, and how would your team, your ideal team be successful, whether it's in a course, whether it's a sports team, whether it's a team within your work. Just take a minute or so to write down a few points on what is a team to you. A team or a work team is a group of people with the complementary skills who work together to achieve a specific goal. Teamwork is a collaborative effort by a group of individuals to achieve a common goal. It involves working together amicably, sharing responsibilities, and leveraging each other's strengths to accomplish tasks more effectively and efficiently. 5 core elements of teamwork are the first one being collaboration, which is working jointly with others, understanding that every team member has a unique perspective and skill set. The second one is communication, which is sharing information openly and effectively to ensure that all team members are on the same page. Third is coordination, organizing activities and resources in a way that complements each team member's contribution. Fourth is trust, building confidence among team members that everyone will perform their roles and support one another. Fifth is respect, valuing each other's opinions, expressions, experiences, and contributions. So 5 key characteristics of teams. The first one is share accountability for achieving specific goals. Second is function interdependently, meaning that you are working as a team, but you independently will work on your assigned task or assignment to achieve the team's goal. 3 is require stability. This is meeting often, having communication with one another often, meeting deadlines, working on the assignment or the task. Number 4 is hold authority and decision-making power. And the 5th one is operate in a social context. This means that you're operating amongst other people. Why organizations build teams? Organizations create teams for several reasons, each aimed at enhancing the organization's efficiency, innovations, overall success. The following factors all are factors that help a team within organizations to have higher quality outcomes. The first one's diversity, which is brings together individuals with different skills, backgrounds, whether that's ethnic backgrounds, religious backgrounds, culture backgrounds, educational backgrounds, and areas of expertise. This diversity can lead to more innovative solutions and creative problem solving. Number 2 is improving efficiency and productivity. Teams allow for the distribution of tasks based on individual strengths and skills, which can lead to increased efficiency and faster completion of projects. Number 3, fostering innovation. The interaction of different ideas and perspectives in a team setting can spark creativity and lead to innovative solutions that might not emerge from individual efforts. Types of teams. There are five types of teams that we'll be focusing on. The first one is manager-led teams. Manager is the team leader and is in charge of setting team goals, assigning tasks, and monitoring the team's performance. This is one of the most common types of teams that there are. You will see this manager level teams in stores and offices. The second one is self-managed teams. They are usually small and often observed activities that were once performed by traditional supervisors. The third one is cross-functional team. A cross-functional team is designed to take advantage of the special expertise of members drawn from different functional areas of the company. Number 4 is functional teams. Members share same knowledge and expertise, and I will go more into details and provide an example of cross-functional and functional teams. And number 5 is a virtual teams, which is members can participate from any location or at any time of day, and teams can meet for as long as it takes to achieve a goal or solve a problem, which can be a few days, weeks, or months. This virtual teams has become more popular after COVID. People are working from California, New York, and working within the same teams to achieve a goal. Okay, so functional and cross-functional team. So as demonstrated here in this image, a functional team are people with common functional expertise. This is that you have a team or department for accounting, team or department for marketing, and team and department for engineering. And all of them share the same backgrounds and they're within the same department. Now, with cross-functional teams that are representatives from the various functions. So you have a person from engineering, you have a person from marketing, 3 people from marketing, 4 people from accounting. So individuals with different skill sets. Stages of team development. There are 5 stages that we'll be going over in the team development. The first one is the forming stage, which is when the group of individuals get together to form a team. At this point, each group member focuses on defining and assigning tasks, establishing a schedule, organizing the team's work, start working on their individual tasks, and other startup matters are taken care of during this stage. This is also when everyone gets to know one another. The second stage is the storming stage. And it is when the team starts brainstorming ideas and begin to share ideas about what to do and how to do it. This is the time for our team members to open up and agree or disagree on an idea and perspective. The storming stage can be unpleasant for those that are not used to disagreements. This can decrease motivation and efforts by drawing attention away from tasks. It is important to have patience and considerations toward team members and their views to continue moving on to the next stages. The third stage is the norming stage. This is when the team has simplified their choices and facilitate collaborations. Since members have shared expectations about how to work together. In this stage, they focus on developing shared values. These norms of collaborations can address issues ranging from when to use certain modes of communication, such as email versus telephone, to how team meetings will be run and what to do when conflicts arise. The fourth stage is the performing stage. It is the stage when the team is functioning as a unit, but now team members know how to work together and are interdependent on each task. and are able to communicate and coordinate effectively. There are fewer time-consuming distractions based on interpersonal and group dynamics. It is important to keep in mind that while these 4 stages, the forming, storming, norming, and performing stages are distinct and they're generally sequential, they often blend into one another and even overlap. A team may pass through one phase only to return to it. Okay, the last stage is the journeying stage, which describes the final stretch of a team's working together. It includes both the last steps of completing the task or wrapping up the task, and the journeying stage is an important way of providing closure, and it can help team members successfully move on to the next work project or team with the sense of a job well done. Leading an A team. So to lead an A team, you will have to have the following characteristics. The first one is demonstrate integrity. So do you do what you say you'll do and act in accordance with your stated values? Be honest in communicating and follow through on promises. Be clear and concise when providing instructions, or if you're asking for any task to be completed. Let members know that you're certain about what you want, and remember that being clear and consistent reinforces your credibility. Generate positive energy, be optimistic, and compliment team members. Recognize their progress and success. Acknowledge common points of view. Even if you're about to propose some kind of change, recognize the value of the views that members already hold in common. Manage agreement and disagreements. When members agree with you, confirm your shared point of view. When they disagree, acknowledge both sides of the issue and support your own with a strong, clearly presented evidence. Encourage and coach. Motivate members when they run into new and uncertain situations and when success depends on their performing at a high level. Share information, part of communication. Give members the information they need and let them know that you're knowledgeable and about team tasks and individual talents. Check with team members regularly to find out what they're doing and how the job is progressing. Okay, that's all for today's lecture. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach me at through the Canvas inbox. Send me an email, and I will gladly assist you. Have a good rest of your day.